Consistency! If you want to be consistent at doing something new, like running, studying for a hard subject, meditating, and lots of other positive things, I suggest you to actually just do it in the morning. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I rehearse consistently on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 7th, 2025, and this is going to be day 334 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing. If you are currently watching this video, big chances you are still young, okay? Maybe you need to go to school or go to college or go to work. And I'm not saying that it's gonna be bad when you just do the thing that you wanted to be doing consistently after you go to school or after you go to college or work. But here's the thing that I noticed. If you just do it, this is from my own personal experiences and also from, my friends, okay? This is the thing that I noticed. When we just do the thing after we go to school or college or work, one, big chances we are already exhausted because we've spent like 8 hours doing some work, doing some studying there, right? And secondly, is that here's the thing, some voice correct, sorry. Here's the thing. When we just do it after we go to school or college or work, we're gonna have this feeling of, you know what, I've done enough today. Let me rest. Okay, I've done enough today, enough hard working. Let me just rest today. Let me just relax first. And yeah, basically these two things, these two reasons, these two feelings actually make us think something like, you know what? Let me just do it tomorrow. Since, I'm already exhausted today and I've done enough today, let me just do it tomorrow. But then the next day, the same cycle happens again. We say the same thing and just throw the responsibility to do the thing to our tomorrow version of ourselves. We do not want this to happen because this is just a really bad cycle. How can we even be consistent if we just say that we are going to be doing it tomorrow, and then when the next day comes, we only say it again that we are going to be doing it tomorrow again? When are we going to be actually doing this thing? So basically, why do I propose that it's better to just do the thing that you wanted to be doing, like running or studying for a hard subject or meditating in the morning? Okay, because relatively we are going to be having more time, and also we are going to be having more energy since we haven't done the 8 hours of work on school or college or work, right? And yes, relatively we are going to be having more energy, but just saying that in order to have some more energy, you also need to have a good sleeping schedule, okay? In order to wake up feeling not really that tired and also, actually feeling energized. Basically, consistency is about self control. You say that you are going to be doing something consistently, you actually do it despite all the challenges and all the obstacles. You are proving to yourself that you have some sense of control over your life. You say that you are going to be doing this, you actually do that. And when we just do it, first thing first in the morning, we are basically starting our day, starting our life with some sense of control. We are basically giving evidence to ourselves that, hey, we actually walk the talk. And let me tell you one thing. It feels really, really good to basically just walk the talk, to say that we are going to be doing something and we actually do it, okay? And it builds some sense of confidence because, again, we are giving ourselves some evidence that we are actually doing the thing that we say that we are going to be doing. And here's the thing, when you are trying to be consistent at doing something, make sure that you are going to be having a really clear goal. Don't only say, oh yeah, I'm going to exercise every morning. I'm going to study every single morning. Because this is really unclear. I mean, what type of exercising that you are going to be doing, how many minutes you are going to be spending your time doing the studying, and how can you even be consistent at doing something if you do not even have a clear grasp of what is the thing that you are going to be doing in the long run? So first thing first, we are going to be making some really clear goals, specific and measurable. You do not need to set some crazy goals first, right? Maybe just start from 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of studying, 5 minutes of meditating. It's really great, okay? 5 minutes of studying mathematics. You can always progressively increase the numbers later. But here's the thing, having some numbers is really important. Having some measurable goals like 5 minutes or 10 minutes of, I don't know, or maybe like 100 reps of, do not go with 100, okay? Maybe like 10 reps of push ups every single day. We are going to be having this sense of clarity, okay? Because we can basically precisely know when have we actually managed to do our thing. We said that we are going to be doing 10 push-ups. We actually did the 10 push-ups. We did the thing that we say that we are going to be doing. We precisely know that we have fulfilled our goal. This is something that you cannot achieve when you just say, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising every single day. I mean, how much exercising is enough exercising? We are always going to be having that feeling of, have I done enough today? Yesterday I did 20 push-ups, today I only did 10 push-ups. I do not have a clear bare minimum. Am I really serious about doing this exercising? And comparatively, when you have a really clear goal, like 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of studying mathematics, you can precisely know when have you actually managed to do your thing, to fulfill your goal. You say that you are going to be doing 5 minutes of running, you actually do it. Congratulations. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. And also you can support my long form videos on, by buying me a coffee on Gumroad. Would really be meaningful for me. And for today's date authenticity post, today's June 7th, 2025. And today's memes are posted a bro during the exam post last 24 hours GMT +7.